We are only stupid as Africans today because our leaders are extremely stupid and they are sleeping on the job. That is why we become who we are. I hope. Guys, so I told you we live in a country with laws, huh? Watch something, guys. So this person, look here, guys. This lady is being given a ticket. Watch her. She's being given a ticket by a parking enforcer. This guy is a parking ticket enforcer. He drove by and saw this lady and he's giving the lady a ticket. You know why? This lady is actually in her own house. That's her own car. The lawn, the green grass you are seeing there is her own property. But the fact that she has parked on her own grass in front of her house, she's being ticketed. She's getting a ticket. Now watch her. She's moving her car now to properly park in her driveway the way she should have. And the officer just went and gave a ticket. Do you see that? This is a country of laws where everybody must do the right thing. Even though it's your own house, you must do the right thing. It's a bylaw. Thank you for saying that. It's a zoning problem. Even though it's your own property, you must. Did you hear the officer say that? He's doing his job. He doesn't care whether you own the house or you don't own the house. You see, the lady should have known that even though it's her own house, she cannot park on the green grass. She parked her truck on the green grass. Meanwhile, she should have parked at the appropriate place. So she just got a ticket and the officer goes, job is done. So guys, my reason for showing you is this. Citizens will be indisciplined. Citizens will always be at their best stupid. People will always be stupid. They will shit around, pee around. It's the job of enforcers to make the law work. The officer is gone, oh, he's driving around. He's going to keep looking for people who are violating, and he's going to ticket you. He's going to ticket you. You understand what we mean by the system works now? You notice the lady had parked at the wrong place. Let me show the road. See, I'm going to go out and show you properly. Huh? Watch it. Somebody is going to say, we'll be in the field, and I'm in the field. Why will feel so? Why will feel? Look at it. Her own house. We'll be back as in the field or no any field. And I park in the grass. So, and can only ask them. Officer need to who say, hey, into driving or where I say, we see grass and so. We'll be in the grass in Sakura. If everybody is parking on the grass, will the grass not be turning into a desert? Your own house, they will give you tickets. This is what we mean by the system works. I didn't mean to capture this. So I was just driving by and I saw somebody getting tickets. And I said, let me capture it. And you see that officer? His job is to go around and find people who are violating the law. They don't care whether you're a woman or not. They're going to give you a freaking ticket. You're going to go to court and you're going to pay that money and they will bring you before court. You see? Somebody's job is to go and make sure somebody is not throwing rubbish around. They are sleeping on the job. Oh. Somebody's job is to make sure somebody is not skipping a red light. They are sleeping. Oh. Somebody's job is to make sure somebody is not building on a waterway. They are sleeping. Oh. Why should he take a regional minister to be going around to be telling people to pull down stuff in Accra? Because the municipal agencies are all sleeping on the job. You heard that when I was filming. The officer said it's a bylaw. They don't care whether it's your house or not. It's a bylaw. You understand what we mean by leaders must work? The people will always have a tendency to be stupid. I'm telling you. Ghanaians and Africans will always have a tendency to be stupid. This is a white person who is being stupid in her own house. But the law will put her right and she'll wake up. Now she's going to pay that $100 and something, huh? For not parking properly in her own damn house. Somebody's job is to make sure you, a stupid citizen, you behave properly. Somebody's job is to make sure you don't go around and pipe your pennies around, peeping everywhere. Somebody's job is to make sure you don't go by the gutter and throw rubbish. When they sleep, all of you become more stupid. That is what happens. I hope you got it. This was an impromptu. I just was driving by and I caught it. But I wanted to bring it to you live. Pass it around and share it around. We are only stupid as Africans today because our leaders are extremely stupid and they are sleeping on the job. That is why we become who we are. I hope you enjoyed it. God bless you. Bye-bye.